You did everything right. Surgery? Check. Rehab? Check. So why is the pain still there? Let's talk about what no one warned you about. Post-op pain that doesn't go away. I'm Jess. I've been a licensed massage therapist since 2008, a licensed acupuncturist since 2014 with an extensive background in sports medicine and nutrition, and I worked years directly in the OR with orthopedic surgeons as a medical sales rep, guiding total joint surgeries, including hundreds of knee replacements. I have seen firsthand what patients are not being told before and after their surgeries, and I'm here to fill in the gaps. So whether you've already had a knee replacement or you're trying to avoid one, this series is for you. Let's dive in. First things first, surgery is trauma. It's organized, sterile, high-tech trauma, but trauma nonetheless. Inflammation doesn't magically disappear with the bad bone. In fact, it often increases right after surgery. You didn't get a new immune system with that new knee. Arthritis is a form of inflammation, not just bone damage. So if you don't change your diet or your movement habits, your body may keep dumping inflammation into that joint capsule. The bone was replaced, the inflammatory environment, still there. Then there's the nerve side. During surgery, nerves get cut. Some regenerate, but they don't always grow back in the same pattern. That can lead to weird sensations, phantom pain, or discomfort that feels like it doesn't have a clear source. Acupuncture can be incredibly helpful here because it doesn't just treat the knee. It helps retrain your entire nervous system. The other missing piece, ongoing strength and mobility. If you stop moving, your body stiffens. If you don't strengthen your glutes, hamstrings, and hips, your new knee will keep getting overloaded. Most people don't need another surgery. They need a structured plan that continues after PT ends. Also, let's not ignore the trend. If you've worn out one knee, chances are the other one is on the same path. That's not fate, it's feedback. Learn from it. Change your lifestyle now, and you can preserve what's left of the second knee. Surgery isn't the reset button. It's a new chapter with new rules. You can feel better, but it requires consistency, inflammation control, strength, and a little bit of humility. Don't give up. Just get smarter. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, head over to my website. I'll leave the link down below. There you'll have full access to my blog series, courses, health coaching, and many more tools to help you feel better, move better, and just take your health back into your own hands. So remember, keep moving, eat something green, and question anything that sounds like a quick fix. Ciao, ciao.